Hi mate, this video won't be too long, so let's jump to the terminal and install Waydroid on Kali. The first thing is to download the Waydroid install script, and you can find the installation doc on Waydroid's official web page as well. You can follow this video if you are installing it on any Debian based distro. So let's try to run the install script. It failed because the Waydroid repository follows Debian suite or packages. The fix is simple, run the script with the appropriate Debian suite. I used Bookworm here, but if you encounter any errors or dependency issues during installation, then you can try Trixie. Time to install Waydroid. If your distro packages are updated to Debian Trixie, you might see some errors after running the apt install command, because I configured with Bookworm. The last step is to run Waydroid init to download the Android ROM, which will be around 900 MB. The installation is done. Now you can run Waydroid, but I recommend rebooting before starting it. Now let's run Waydroid. Okay, when I first installed it, I thought it would be buggy, but I'm impressed with the performance. It's smooth. By the way, you can follow the same steps if you are installing Waydroid on your PC or laptop. To stop Waydroid, you can run Waydroid session stop in the first terminal. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.